How do I relight the pilot light on my Trane furnace?
Hello there. Today, we're going to tackle an important task, relighting the pilot light on your Trane furnace. It's a simple process, but safety should always be your priority. Remember, if you're unsure about any part of this process, it's always best to consult a professional.
What do you need?
Before you start, make sure you have the following items. A flashlight. The area around your furnace may be dimly lit, so a flashlight can help you see clearly. A long lighter. This is for lighting the pilot light. Safety note. Ensure that there is no smell of gas before you proceed. If there is, evacuate immediately and call your gas provider.
Locating the furnace pilot light.
Your first task is to locate the pilot light on your Trane furnace. It is usually located near the bottom of the furnace. You might need to remove a cover or access panel. Look for a small flame. If it's not lit, that's what you'll need to light up.
Turning off the furnace.
Before you relight the pilot, turn off your furnace completely. This is usually done by switching the furnace's control valve to the off position. Wait at least 5 minutes to let any residual gas disperse before you proceed to the next step.
Lighting the pilot light.
Now you're ready to relight the pilot light. Turn the control valve to the pilot position. Then, hold down the reset button or the pilot control button, which could be the same as the pilot control valve on some models. While holding the button down, use your long lighter to ignite the pilot light. Keep holding the button for about a minute after lighting the pilot to ensure the thermocouple gets hot enough to register the flame. If the pilot goes out when you release the button, it may mean that the thermocouple didn't get hot enough and you might have to repeat the process.
Turning the furnace back on.
Once the pilot light is lit and stable, you can turn the furnace back on. To do this, simply turn the control valve to the on position. Your furnace should start operating normally again. And that's how you relight the pilot light on your Trane furnace. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to safely and effectively relight your furnace's pilot light. Always remember that safety comes first. If at any point you don't feel comfortable performing these steps, or if the pilot light won't stay lit, it's time to call in a professional. Hope this guide has been helpful.